how long are seeds good for. So that depends on the seed, and you want to make sure you are storing these in a cool, dry, dark place. If you store them in a place that might have some moisture, they could just sprout on their own.
Or like we do, we take the seeds to the garden, and sometimes we forget and leave them in a hot car. That doesn't help the lifespan of them at all.
Right, exactly. So you want to make sure you are taking care of your seeds. So 1 to 2 years, the smaller the seed, the less time it's going to be viable. So 1 to 2 years.
Explain the viability. What was that? That's the
lifetime,
or the ability for it to sprout.
Yeah.
And each year that goes by that seed has not been utilized, it will on average lose 10% viability. So 5 years in, you're at 50% chance. Smaller seeds like onion, parsnips, corn, okra, spinach, lettuce. Once you get to that 2 year, maybe 3 year, you're looking at a very small percentage of germination possibility.
Right. Yeah. So 1 to 2 years are onions, parsnips, corn, okra, spinach, lettuce. 2 to 4 years, things like beets, carrots, peppers, Swiss chard, beans, peas, cabbage. And then 4 to 6 years are your tomatoes, squash, cucumbers, eggplant, watermelon, radishes, pumpkins, broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts.
That's 4 to 6 plus years.
Yeah.
I've seen tomatoes. 9 years, some tomatoes are still viable, and even some people who found them in shadow boxes from decades ago have been able to get some of them to germinate and grow.